Welcome back to our session. We are still continuing with the session. We looked at what postpartum depression is, and we also looked at some causes of postpartum depression as well as blood pressure. So today we are going to look at the signs of postpartum depression. These are the signs that you can tell that somebody is really suffering from postpartum depression. And remember, it is immediately after delivery. At times, it begins once one gets into the delivery room. So what happens after the delivery? So one thing that you can tell whether a person or a new mother is suffering from postpartum depression is when a mother is not concerned about the child. Remember, once a mother delivers, there is that excitement and closeness to the baby. But you find that when a mother suffers from postpartum depression, he's not concerned with the child, doesn't want to have that association with the child, doesn't want to have anything to do with the child. At times, some even don't want to look at the kind of gender they have. So one is lack of that union between the mother and the child. The mother doesn't want to be involved or associated with the child that she has delivered. The other sign of postpartum depression is violence. You find that a mother who has just delivered should be very humble, because this is a person who is helpless, doesn't have enough energy, doesn't have a lot of strength. But you find that this mother is too violent, too aggressive. You ask her something, she's so bitter about it, she's rude. You know, a mother, somebody who has delivered, is very welcoming, because I want to see many people congratulating her of the achievement. The newborn baby has brought a new life. But you find that this person is quite aggressive with people. So the other sign number 3, that can make you tell this person is suffering from postpartum depression is whereby a mother doesn't want to unite with the surrounding, doesn't want to associate with the people who are surrounding her. She's staying alone indoors. She doesn't want to get out and be seen by people. She doesn't want people who come to visit her be close to her. You definitely tell this person has a problem. This new mother has a problem. The other thing is when the mother doesn't want to breastfeed the infant. You know, when a mother gives a birth, there is that need of being close to the child. You want to feed her oftenly. But at this time, a mother doesn't even want. At times, even forgets whether she has a child. And somebody has to remind her, hey, you have not breastfed your child. Go and breastfeed the child. Even when she goes to feed the child, circles the child for like 2 seconds or 5 seconds and leaves. Then the other thing that can make you tell whether this mother is suffering from postpartum depression is how the mother is handling the child. How is she handling the child? Is she tender on the child? Is she aggressive? Does she want to hold the child more? If you find that the mother doesn't want to be with the child for